Hello, it's Adam, and welcome to my garden edition of Quantum Insights. And today I was planting my first lettuces of the season, and I had one of those quantum insights, and it reminded me as I begin to till the soil and prepare it for the planting of this coming spring and summer, well, and fall as well. We get quite a nice long season here of planting vegetables in Santa Barbara. I was thinking about when I actually began and stepped onto the path of really, well, being a seeker of my own truth, my own purpose, and what is my life's mission. But ultimately, to recognize that it begins with the soil that we plant in. And I'll never forget one of my first teachers asked me, what kind of soil are you planting your future in, Adam? And I recognized in that moment it was his kind of way of saying, in a roundabout way, saying, well, your soil is polluted. And over my lifetime, and I think over all of our lifetimes, we seemingly pollute the soil of our body with, well, whatever that is, alcohol, too much food, indulging in lots of stress, tension, conflict, and all the things that come with our lives. Maybe it's chaos, maybe it's drama, maybe it's trauma, or all of the above. It's not, it's not an easy path being a human and learning our way, but ultimately it creates a toxicity in our soil. And as I was churning this soil today and saw some worms and put in some new nitrogen and some new fertilizers into this soil, organic, of course, I thought, my gosh, what a journey I've been on for the last 16 years to clean up my soil. And in indigenous cultures, this is a big wisdom because ultimately, if we are to manifest our most highest intentions, to be into our greatest selves, to reach for our power and to cultivate more power, doesn't it make sense that your soil needs to be cleaned and vibrant and nutrient rich? Well, I encourage you to do that. I wanted to just share these few words as we enter into the springtime here in North America in hopes to, well, manifest what I'm dreaming into being this coming year. And I hope you do the same because the abundance of this soil is no different than the abundance of the soil within ourselves. And in that whole vibrant nutrient soil, we can plant those seeds of our future and cultivate the greatest power that we need to manifest our intentions. Anyway, have a great day. I hope you're well and cultivating your abundance in your garden. Take care and many blessings.